Hey Valley Middle, welcome back to another math video. Tonight we're going to be working with algebraic equations. Before we do that, let's start off with our trivia question. Another TV favorite. Who are these people? Back with the answer to that after instruction. Tonight officially our target is I can write a sentence or phrase as an algebraic equation. Let's do this thing. Let's just start right off with a question about one of our science teachers here, Miss Palinka. The sum of Mrs. Palinka's height in inches increased by 12 inches is 48. Write an algebraic equation for this situation using the variable p for Mrs. Palinka's height. Well, we could do it like this way. Palinka's height plus 12 inches equals 48. Now, you may be scratching your head thinking, what? How could this possibly be true? Here's the video proof right here. See what I'm saying? You'll see her walking around the halls. Just look low. All right. A couple of must-know words tonight. Algebraic equation. It's just two expressions that are separated by an equal sign. Here's an expression of 5, and 2n plus 1 has to be equal to that. Think of this equal sign as a balancing point, like on a teeter-totter. Everything on this side has to be equivalent to everything on this side. You can see several equations around here, different types of them. These are all kinds that we're going to be working with. One more word. In math, in equations and expressions, oftentimes the word is means equals. So they'll say 2n plus 1 is 5. That's a key word for meaning equals. All right, now, it's important to remember the order and pay close attention to that when looking at a situation. In this example here, the sum of a number n and 7 is 15. Here's that is. The sum of a number n and 7. So the n is first in this situation here. 12 times a number p equals 48. 12p equals 48. There they used equals instead of is. They could have used the word equivalent or is equivalent to. A number decreased by, a number y decreased by 4 is 3. So here's the y, and it's decreased is 3. A little tricky. We're going to get better at this, but we've already worked out with expressions. We can keep going. Let's try about 4 of these here together. 9 less than a number b equals 2. You don't have to write this down, but just think about it. 9 less than a number b equals 2. Well, here's the b, here's 9 less, and it's equal to 2. The next one, the product of a number g and 5 is 30. We did these last night. We're just adding equals. 5g equals 30, or 5 times g, but again, math guys, 5g. A number k increased by 10 is the same as 24. What do you think? Here's the k, increased it by 10, equals 24. And finally, toughest one, the quotient of a number q and 4 is 12. Well, we know that is 12, so that's going to be equals 12. The quotient of a number, so that's going to be division. So it's either going to be q divided by 4 or 4 divided by q. The q is always going to be on the top. That's what we're looking for right there. That's always in the dividend position, not the divisor. For 6th and 7th grade math in the state of Minnesota. That's a standard. All right. Time for you to try a couple. All right. We got a bunch of them. Go ahead and try this slide full of them. Go. See how you did. A number increased by 3 is 12. A number decreased by 12 is 6. Twice the number divided by 3 is 4. The product of a number and 3 is 15. The quotient of a number and 4 is 14. Sorry, I'm going to have to go over to the side here. Twice the difference between a number and 4 is 20. Here's that set of parentheses. And here it is. It's down here. Equals 20. Sorry. All right. Very good. Another slide. Try these. Let's see how you did. 2b equals 20. Tara's money T plus 5 is equivalent to $15. Here's Tara's money. Plus 5 equals 15. My weekly salary S decreased by 50 is $100. Weekly salary decreased by 50 equals 100. 4 times the number plus 2 more is 18. 6 times the sum of a number and 8, there's your parentheses, is 80, equals 80. Alrighty, time for the old ticket to the show. Choice a number increased by 2 is 14. The product of a number and 4 is 12. Think about that. All right. Answer the old trivia question. You probably knew it. The Walking Dead. Carl! This is Rick Grimes. This is Daryl. Daryl, he's the guy you want with you on a deserted island. Dude could take a stone and go out and come back with, you know, a wild pig or something like that. Guy's crazy good, especially if he's got his bow and arrow with him. Anyway, pretty good show. Some of these characters are not on there, but those of you who watched any of them would know who these people are. All right, thanks for listening, and have a great night.